How to update your name servers at enom.com. This demo assumes you have a domain name registered through enom.com and starts from the enom.com homepage. Now let's learn how to update our domain name's name server settings. Click My Account and sign into your account. Enter your username and password to log in. Click Registered under Domains to locate the domain name you want to update. Locate the Manage Domains section for your domain. Then select DNS Server Settings from the drop-down. Enter your new name servers, then click Save. That's it. The domain name's name servers have been updated. Please note that it could take up to 24 hours for your new name servers to propagate and be recognized across the Internet. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to update your domain name's name server settings at enom.com.